cover how to create Auto GRN on Easy Ecom system. To create Auto GRN, you should first understand what is a GRN. That basic knowledge we should all have. So GRN stands for good received notes. So that means that whenever you are receiving a good in your warehouse, any product in your warehouse from any vendor, you first have to check for the quality, whether it passes the quality or it fails the quality. Only when it passes the quality, you make it available in the inventory by assigning it a particular shelf. Now in case of JC Road, we don't have the time to do good received, because JC Road is following just in time process. We will not have time to do good received and do quality check for each and every item. So we, in that case, only in the case of JC Road, we will go for Auto GRN process, as in we are telling the system that we have done the shelving and we have done the GRN, but we are not checking the goods one by one, because we will only be receiving say 2, 5 or maximum 10 quantity of goods at a time. We will not be receiving say 1,000 or hundreds quantity of good. So in JC Road we will be doing Auto GRN process. So now let's start. So you go to Auto GRN subsheet, which we have already created. So we have the sheet. The first step we do is we copy the sheet. So I'm going all the way down and I have copied it. Now you go to Adjustify system. So I am doing the process of Auto GRN. Please make a note to download the CSV. We have to first go to inventory, go to purchase planning. So we click inventory purchase planning, go to the hamburger menu here, which is your 3 lines, that is called hamburger menu, and go to receive inventory without purchase order. So Auto GRN is nothing but you are receiving inventory without a purchase order, and that is what stands for Auto GRN. Now the first you have 3 steps again here. Save the template, choose file, and then upload the template. So first we save the template gets downloaded. So we have the same template here. We will just do Control V to copy the subsheet which we have already created. So the sheet is filled now. We go to the file, do save, do yes on this pop-up. Come back to Adjustify. Now you do Auto GRN for a particular vendor. So always choose that vendor from the drop down. Say we are doing this Auto GRN for vendor named Bosch. Then you choose the file. The file will be saved in the downloads. Open and upload the file. So the system says sheet successfully uploaded successfully, but that does not mean that your Auto GRN process was done successfully. You always have to go to imports and check whether the finish tag has come. So Auto GRN new means it is in progress right now. It has not been finished yet. We'll have to wait for some more time to. So we again click here. So now it comes as finished. So that means the Auto GRN process for this vendor, for this particular warehouse, has been successfully done. Now one thing I forgot to mention initially, which is very important, that whenever you are doing Auto GRN process, you are receiving goods for one particular warehouse. So before doing Auto GRN process, always make sure that you are in the location of that warehouse. Not physically you have to be in that location of warehouse, but here in Adjustify system you have these 3 dots. You have to click here and make sure that you have selected Chat Pay Commerce Private Limited, JC Road location, because that is the location we will be doing Auto GRN process. Other location will have other process which I'll cover in other video. But for JC Road, when doing Auto GRN, you have to first select, like for example, let's say Kormangla DS1, that is JC Road location, just for example. And first you select the correct location, then go to inventory, purchase planning, receive inventory without PO, and then do this entire process. So first be sure that you are at the correct location. So that is all for Auto GRN. Thank you so much.